Hey y'all, ready Colt? We're gonna be making some carne asada tacos tomorrow. Alright, first thing you want's a big piece of steak, and like, this can be cheap. Like, I'm feeding 3 big ass dudes for 20 bucks. And what you're gonna wanna do is cut this into teeny tiny little thin slices. Like, slice it as thinly as you can, that'll make it more tender. Once you got that meat chopped up into nice thin pieces, I want you to take an entire onion, roughly chop it, throw it up in there. And after a nice rough chop, we got plenty of onions in there. Fuck, I'm crying. But we're gonna start on the marinade. You're gonna need a generous amount of olive oil and orange juice. Some beer. We'll do a pretty generous amount of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. This part's pretty important, taco seasoning. We're gonna put a fuck ton of that in there. We got some tahini. This shit's really good. Got some dried cilantro. And don't worry, I got plenty of fresh stuff right there, fresh cilantro. And last but not least, a little lime juice. And now what we're gonna do is mix the fuck out of that. Like, mix it as long as you can bear. You want all those flavors to kind of blend together, you know? And once you got those beautiful flavors all nice and mixed together, you're gonna wanna let it sit overnight. I know you'll be tempted, you wanna do it for like 1-2 hours, but trust me, let it sit overnight. You can wait. All right, got it covered up. It's gonna sit right there in the fridge overnight, and we'll come back in the morning and cook it over the fire. So, my dumb ass lost a piece of the camp grill, and I had to rig it with 2 rocks and then dig a little channel for the fire to go. Quick little life hack if you're missing a piece of your camp grill. We use the nice guy sword to chop some firewood. I reckon that fire's low enough to cook on. I'm gonna let the skillet warm up because it's pretty cold out here and the skillet's pretty cold. All right, Gabe and Todd are gonna be here soon, so I'm gonna just start cooking. Take a little bit of olive oil, prep that pan. Bet this thing's hot. Oh yeah. And I already drained some of the marinade on this, so I should be able to just throw all this right in like this. Got my SpongeBob ass spatula. Just gonna stir that around a bit. What's up, man? Oh, okay. Got that pretty much rendered down. We warming up some tortillas now, corn tortillas. All right, I just got my first taco. Let's try that shit. Tastes pretty fucking good. I'm gonna throw some cilantro on this bitch.
Yeah, you blame just to know you're a...
Thanks, Drew.
You're welcome.
I ain't gonna lie, these are pretty gas. All right, I want a Gabe review.
All right, let's see. It's the Ryan steak tacos. I was here for the whole time. I helped make these.
Good shit.
Hey, that's pretty good.
He's got the right idea. Quesadilla. We making bushcraft Taco Bell cheesy roll-ups now. Hell yeah. We finishing up now. We're about to start an actual fire. So, I got this cheap-ass crossbow on Amazon, Barnett Wildcat. It's pretty fun. And, fuck it, we'll just shoot that metal can with it.